Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new events of this new season. So what you need to do is type the events banner error 404 at the left of your screen. This one, the newest event of this season, Phantom Conquest. So the difference between this seasonal event or the feature event, this Phantom Conquest is a long road, long journey to complete it in the game. So what you need to do is tap the map. This is the road map. So you can claim the rewards by completing the tasks and get the point or the node. So how you can get the node is by completing the task, the daily task. For example, enter top 3 in battle royale launch, and this is the 1 month. I mean, until this season is end, you can still challenge one task. For example, this one you can get 2000 nodes. I mean 2000 token, Phantom token, by earn top rank in battle royale twice, and many more. So this is the reward. For example, one of the rewards, you can get this assault rifle KN44 geisha gaze, and the top of this Phantom Conquest reward is this soldiers or skin, the blackjack bloody fortune. So challenge yourself by completing the task and get the rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.